So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I am struggling right now. There's a big battle happening in my head between what I know I need to do and what I want to do. What I need to do is leave this castle hotel and go exploring. What I want to do is crawl back in that bed and stay there until my flight comes next Wednesday. Yeah, when you see this room, you're gonna die. It's so great. I am sitting in a window box that has like this crazy tilted roof and has a chair. And like, it was raining last night. And so the rain was hitting this window. The rain was hitting this window. And it was magical. So it was great. And I kind of just want to stay in here. It's cold and it's dreary. Like, even though it's 40, it feels like it's 25. I might as well be back home. And I knew there would be weather and I packed for it, which is great because, but I don't know. I'm really caught up in my head. I wish that I had planned more. I wish that I had, honestly, more tours. This is a job for me. And I don't know, did that immediately take out all the fun of doing it? Can I film this in a way where, God, my arm's exhausted. Can I film this in a way where it's still fun, but it doesn't feel like work? I don't know. I want to share my trip to Seoul that I took a couple months ago. And this is relevant because I kind of wanted to use that trip too as kind of like a kickoff for this travel channel. But when I got there, I really realized very quickly that what I really wanted was to just be in the moment and enjoy traveling and not worrying about whether or not I'm getting right shots or whether or not things are being covered or things like that. And I just wanted to be in the moment. I just wanted to experience it. And so I ended up not getting a whole lot of footage of the time that I was there. I took a lot of photos, but nobody wants to watch a slideshow of a trip that you took, I don't know why anybody wants to watch any of this anyway, but I do because I'm fascinated and interested in it. But anyway, all that to say, I'm stuck in my head. So I just saw a bunch of dead bodies and I was not expecting that. I'm not going to film them out of respect for the dead. So, like, I know I'm in a museum of archaeology, but I really didn't think I'd be seeing so many dead bodies today. It's so many. There's one right behind me. I found another one. Cowbell. More 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 cowbell. Them's are people. So, after getting lost trying to get to the Charles Beatty Museum in the rain and feeling exhausted and overwhelmed, I sat down, I had lunch at the Road Café. It was delicious, but then I was told that I couldn't take my backpack upstairs and I had to put it in a locker. And I should just be like, oh yeah, sure, no problem. But I can't. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and I want to go home. I don't know what to do. I gave it.